Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss about using advanced filter. Okay, in last video we have discussed about filtering data, means how we will filter the data and how we will sort the data. Here we will discuss about advanced filter, means how we will filter data in more advanced way. So this is our data, suppose this is our data in MS Excel. Now what does and what advanced data and what advanced filter will do. Okay, so advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple field using a specific criteria. Means suppose you have this data, if you want to select the data of those only those employee who have salary equals to 8,000. Okay, suppose these three have salary of 8,000. 7 number, 8 number and 10 number have salary of 8,000. So if we want to extract the record of these three names, so we can easily extract it with the help of advanced filter. Or suppose if we want to extract the information of employee having salary 10,000, so two are there. Here only 10 employees are there. Okay, if there is 200 employees or 500 employees are there, so it will be very difficult to search one by one. So for that we are using advanced filter. Now how we will use advanced filter, so one by one we will, step by step we will see how we will do it. Okay, so your first step is, suppose you want to insert a specific criteria. So first what you have to do, you have to select whole data. Either you will select whole data or either you will insert three more rows above it. Okay, now to insert row, what we will do, first we will go in home tab. In home tab there is insert option is there. Okay, in insert option, if I will click insert sheet row, we want rows, number of rows. Okay, so if I will click, so one whole row will insert here. Okay, if I want more than one, insert sheet row. Okay, if I want 4 rows, suppose. So in this way I entered four rows. Okay, I have entered 4 rows. Now this is our first step. First we have to enter 4 rows above this table. Above this table we need this upper bar clear. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to insert this field name here also in above 4 rows. This field name above also. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this field name, then I will copy it, then again I will go in A1 and I will press paste it. Okay, so whole field name will inserted here. Now this is our important step. Okay, now we have copied the copied field name and we have entered data in our field. So now if I will enter a criteria, what is our criteria, that I want the data of employee who have salary 8,000. So I will write here 8,000. This is our criteria. Okay, this is our criteria, means we want the data of employee who have salary 8,000. So now this is our second step. Now what we have to do, now we have to go in, okay, now what we have to do, first we have to select the range of data. If I will select this is our range of data. I have to select this whole. Okay, I have selected this range of data. Then I will go in advanced option. In advanced option, first I have to take the action. Which action I have to take? I have to take action copy to another location. If I want to copy it here only, so I will copy here also. But if I want to copy in another location, so I will copy in another location. Okay, now what I want, list range. List range is we have selected list range. This is our list range, so it is given A5. A5 is here. Okay, A5 to D14. D14 is here. From A5 to D14 it is selected range. Now for criteria, if I will go in criteria, so for criteria I have to select the field name with criteria till criteria box from A1 to D2, from A1 to D2, so that I will get all information, so that I will get all information. And where I have to copy, I want to copy it. Okay, I want to copy this data here only. Okay, I am selecting only one box. Either you can select 2 or 3 box, it will automatically change the boxes. Okay, then I have selected box, I have selected criteria, and I have selected list of data. Okay, if I will click OK, so see, name of employee who have salary only 8,000. Okay, so it is showing me the date of employee who have salary 8,000. Okay, so this is the date of employee who have salary 8,000. If I will change the criteria, okay, and I will delete this data, and I am changing now criteria. Okay, again I have to select this range of data, then I will go in advanced option. In advanced option, list range is automatically selected. First copy to another location. List range is automatically selected because we have selected the range. Then criteria, for criteria also we have to select from A1 to D2. With the help of mouse we can select A1 to D2. Then copy, where I have to copy, where I will copy it, so anywhere in inside sheet. Okay, I have selected this box. So if I will click OK, so see, it is showing me the date of employee who have salary 10,000. So there are 2 employees, Manas and Anuradha. Okay, 2 employees who have salary 10,000. So it is showing me the designation of that employee and department of that employee. Okay, so it is showing me data of that employee who have salary 10,000. So like this you can filter your data using advanced filter.